If you are using Apple Airtag and for some reason it has stopped working, don't throw it away. The battery might have died. Now I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in Airtag and how to make it work again. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, if you are wondering how to identify if the battery is low or not, for that, all you need to do is you have to go in Find My option in your iPhone. You have to select items and you have to select that particular Airtag. After selecting that, you will always see a low battery indication at the top over here. If I try to play sound for now, you can see it won't play any sound because the battery is dead, and it will show a message like this that the Airtag is not reachable. Also, you might receive some notifications like Airtag battery is low frequently. So this is also one thing by which you can identify. Usually you will get a low battery indicator over here. Now, all we need to do is to replace the battery, you have to open the back side of the Airtag. Now, how can you do that? You have to press the back side and you have to rotate it towards the left side like this. And you can simply open the back side of the Airtag. Now, which battery is compatible with the Airtag? Now, the battery number is CR2032 3-volt battery. So this is the battery number you have to check when you are buying new one. So I have purchased a new battery over here. Now you can see it has the model number CR2032. It is the 3-volt battery only. Now there is a pin over here in the Airtag. You can see all you need to do is you have to place the battery like this, and that's it. Now keep the back side like this and make sure you lock it properly. So press it once again, and this time you have to rotate it towards the right side. Now you can see it is locked. So we'll open Find My once again. We'll select that particular item and we'll select the Airtag. Now, if I try to play sound, you can see it is playing sound right now. Also, you won't be receiving any error message like, Airtag is not reachable and all, as the previous battery was showing. So yeah, this is how simple it is to change a battery in your Airtag. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.